Hey there, future music makers. Ready to create amazing songs with AI? Today we're diving into Suno Prompts, your secret weapon for turning ideas into hit tracks. What are Suno Prompts? Think of Suno Prompts as the instructions that guide AI to create music tailored to your vision. They're like the blueprint for your song's theme, mood, and style. Whether you want a soulful ballad or a club anthem, your prompt is the first step. How do you craft a killer Suno prompt? Here are the 5 essential elements for a great Suno prompt. 1. Theme or story. What's the heart of your song? Heartbreak, adventure, or something fun? Example, a song about finding hope after a breakup. 2. The tone or the mood. What emotion do you want? Happy, nostalgic, empowering? Example, a high energy anthem that feels celebratory. 3. Style or genre. Specify the vibe, pop, hip hop, lo-fi, or rock. You can add prompts here to fine-tune the sound. For example, a mellow indie folk track with acoustic guitars. 4. Imagery or keywords. Use poetic visuals or phrases that capture your vision. Example, sunset skies, crashing waves, and chasing dreams. 5. Structure or specific requests. Mention how you want the song to flow. Verse, chorus, verse, etc. Example, build to an explosive chorus and end softly. Where can you use Suno Prompts? Suno Prompts are versatile. In the music style section, you can put it in there to help the AI understand your desired genre and vibe. The lyrics section, use prompts to guide the AI in writing meaningful lyrics. With ChatGPT, collaborate to refine your lyrics or craft detailed prompts for Suno. Getting started, a beginner's guide. 1. Start with an idea. Think of a simple theme like love, adventure, or rainy days. 2. Ask ChatGPT for help. Collaborate on lyrics or brainstorm ideas. Example, write a verse about dancing in the rain under the city lights. 3. Craft your Suno prompt. Combine your lyrics, mood, and style in one prompt. For example, create an R&B song inspired by Under the City Lights. The rhythm takes flight, smooth and jazzy with a soulful vocals. Let Suno work its magic. Input your prompt and listen to the AI-generated song. 5. Experiment and refine. AI isn't perfect. Try different prompts and tweak ideas until you get the sound you want. Pro tips for beginners. Start small. Focus on a single section like a catchy chorus. Be patient. It may take a few tries to get the perfect vibe. Collaborate with AI tools like ChatGPT to refine and polish your work. Suno Prompts plus AI tools equals endless musical possibilities. Your next hit, just one prompt away. If you're inspired, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and start creating today. Check out one of my other videos here. I hope you enjoyed this and see you next time.